Good afternoon, grade 3 students. So we are now here in the live worksheets, okay, for your extra practice worksheet. And if you have watched those videos I have posted about coordinate plane, you should have an idea now what is a coordinate plane and where can you find the x and y axis on a coordinate plane. So we are looking at a coordinate plane here, and this is the x-axis. As you can see, it's the horizontal line, and the y-axis is a vertical line. Okay, so they form a cross, or what we call a perpendicular line, as you have learned before. Alright, so in this practice worksheet, you are going to try and write down the coordinates of each point. Okay, we have here a dog face. Alright, so the dots are actually connected together and is now forming a dog face. Alright, so first let's try an example here. The point for letter A. So this point or plot is labeled as letter A, and we are going to write first the x coordinates. So when you are writing the coordinates, you should always write x before y. The same goes in the alphabet, right? So x comes first in the alphabet before y. So you should find first the x coordinate on this plane. And how are you going to find the x coordinate? So look at this dot, and you have to follow the line going to the x-axis. So as you can see here, the number on the x-axis is number 2. So this dot is aligned to number 2 on the x-axis. Now that you know what is the x-coordinate, so let's write it here. So do you see this? Okay, I already typed number 2 here as our x-coordinate. And next, we are going to find the y-coordinate. So let's go back to plot A, alright? So the dot for letter A, and let's follow again the line going to the y-axis. So as you see here, it is aligned to number 5 on the y-axis, right? So you are going to type number 5. Okay, so you should separate the x and y coordinate with a comma. Please don't forget to write a comma between the x and y coordinate. Alright, so do you guys get it so far? If not, so let's have another example. Let's do letter B. Where is letter B? So as you can see, this dot is labeled as B. Okay, so let's find the x coordinate for this plot. Let's follow again the line going to the x-axis. So on the x-axis, the line goes to number 4, or this dot is aligned with number 4. So let's write number 4 inside this box. As you can see now, I have typed number 4. And now we are going to find the y-axis. So let's go back to the dot for letter B and follow the line going to the y-axis. So this line is aligned to number 4 on the y-axis. That means we are going to type another number 4 for the y-coordinate. So this is the x and y coordinate for letter B. Okay, so do you guys get it so far? Alright, let's have okay, I want to do letter I as an example. Okay, another example. So let's find letter I. It's located here. Okay, so let's write down the x coordinate for letter I. As you can see, this dot goes to -4 on the y-axis. So that means you have to write -4. So don't forget to type the minus sign for negative. Alright, that's -4. And let's write down the y coordinates. So from this dot again for letter I, you have to follow the line going to the y coordinate or y-axis, sorry. Okay, so in the y-axis the number here is number 4. Alright, so it's -4 for the x coordinate and 4 or +4 for the y coordinate. Alright, so that's it guys. You try to do the other letters. If you still don't get it, I can explain more tomorrow. You can ask me question about it and we will try to check your answers. Okay, so I will provide the answers tomorrow. Let's see guys if you have gotten a lot of letters correctly. Okay, alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow.